How's it going, guys? We just finished off this awesome 200 series Sahara package for James from Adelaide. Now this is his first ever four-wheel drive. He wants to get into some touring, camping and four-wheel driving. So we've put together the package for him so that he can get out and about and enjoy it. Let's go through some of the details and see what options James has gone for. Starting up the front, we've got the ARB Summit winch bar, large tube diameter, satin black powder coat finish. James has gone for the Ultravision 180 Maxx lights. These are in the 4000 Kelvin, a lower color temperature, which is excellent. We've got the worn VR EVO 12,000 pound winch with the synthetic rope. And then underneath, we've got a pair of ARB rated recovery points. We've got the GME black aerial on there with the spring base, which is matched up with the XRS UHF inside. James has gone for the Safari ARMAX snorkel, great Australian made product. It's a full 4-inch ram head into 4-inch intake into the airbox. These are fully sealed from dust and water. We've got the base rack on top, so ARB with the wind deflector as well, and a pair of Bush Ranger work lights for some camp lighting. Around the other side, we've got the ARB touring awning for a little bit of shelter and shade. For the suspension on this one, James has gone with a full King Shocks 3800 GVM. This consists of the front remote res coilovers and the rear remote res shocks. They're all 30-stage adjustable. We've got heavy duty front and rear coil springs. We've got upper control arms. We've got a diff drop. And this kit also makes you exempt from luxury car tax on a brand new 200 pre-rego because we changed the classification of the vehicle. For our wheels, James wanted to stick with the silver and black combo, which looks awesome. We've gone with a set of ROH Invader wheels, which have a legal offset and a higher load rating to suit the GVM upgrade. And then they're wrapped in a set of BF Goodrich KO2s in a 285/65/18. We've put together a relatively simple 12-volt package for James on this one. Wanted to keep the cargo area clear in the back. We've gone with the ARB battery tray housing the Century dual force battery. Up the front, we've got the Red Arc BCDC charger mounted in there with a cutout so we can see what's going on. We've got a solar input on the bull bar. This is so that we can plug in portable panels or blankets, saves having to pop the engine bay. We've run power outlets into the fridge area. We've got an Anderson plug back to the tow bar. We've also put in a new switch panel, which allows us to house the Red Arc brake controller, the dual voltmeter gauge, and also our switches so that it's nice and neat and tidy and we've got a factory finish. That's about all for this one. It's about to go off for its final detail clean and then it will be delivered. We're really excited for James to take the keys, get out and enjoy this new vehicle. If you want to see more of these build breakdowns, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. James, thank you so much for choosing us to build your new dream rig. We've really enjoyed working with you and we hope to see you out on the tracks.